Hello, it's Jim Ryerson from Sales Octane, and welcome to Finish Line Friday. Once you know that you have a prospect that's a status quo buyer, meaning they're planning to stay with what they currently have, or they just buy what they bought the last time from the same provider. Once you sense that your competition is status quo, you need to wedge yourself between the customer and their current provider. Now, we covered how to use the science of loss aversion 2 weeks ago, and then last week we covered how to use insight from a third-party provider to make sure that you don't pair yourself with a negative. Another option is to ask an assumptive question that will plant the seed of a key feature, benefit, or advantage of your solution that you know is not available from their current status quo provider. Now, this question is meant to assume that the customer must be getting this feature, benefit, or advantage that you know they're not getting. For instance, our company, Sales Octane, we do sales training just like 100% of all the other training companies out there. The key difference is the fact that we create customized training videos which are tailored with the customer's language. These are not generic one-size-fits-all because no two companies are the same. So, with that as an example of a key feature, benefit, or advantage that I want to wedge in with this question, here's how the question would sound. And let's just say that my prospect's name is Chris. Chris, when your sales team is done with the current sales training workshops, how are they using the customized video content to practice and hone their skill after the sessions? Now, in that question, I planted the seed of a key feature of our approach. I didn't talk negatively about the competition. We refer to this as the status quo challenge question. So all you need to do is identify a key feature, benefit, or advantage of your product versus the status quo provider, and then craft it into a question that assumes your customer is already receiving this from their current provider. Here's the best part. Once you get that crack in the wall, so to speak, once you get that started with this question, then you can provide that third-party evidence of how important this feature is, and you can talk about the potential loss the customer faces if they don't at least evaluate your solution. Now, when you need help crafting your status quo challenge question, just schedule a few minutes below in my calendar and we'll take the next step. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel by clicking the options below, and have a great weekend.